मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel AND, and today is a very special day because I have not one but two good news for you guys and for me too, because I've been trying to do this since a very long time. Ever since I started my channel, I wanted to do this. So today I have two announcements. The first one is that we are officially kickstarting the hashtag DIYWali 2018. This will be a video series in which I will be posting videos for 7 continuous days starting from today, and there will not be one day that you will not receive a video, and essentially they will all be the DIY videos because that is what I love doing. And the second good news is that I'm also hosting a giveaway that you'll come to know about in the last episode of this series, that is hashtag DIYWali 2018. So stay tuned. Giveaway will be open to all of you all over India, and there are some really special things which I'll be showing you at the end of this series, of course. So I decided to kickstart this series with a very special video that will be dedicated to all the ladies जो भूखी प्यासी रह के अपने पति की लंबी उम्र की प्रार्थना करती हैं. Yes, you guessed it right, the Karwa Chauth DIY special. I'll be decorating the Karwa Chauth matka, the karwa, the thali and the chalni in this video. And of course salute to those ladies जो इतनी मेहनत करके किसी दूसरे के लिए, of course अपने पति के लिए ये प्रार्थना करती हैं. This is some real sacrifice. तो मतलब खाना, पानी, even पानी, I can't live without water for like even 1 hour. I need water every half an hour. So that might be a really tough job. आज का वीडियो है स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू. आपको भगवान शक्ति दे इस करवा चौथ, आपको भूख और प्यास कुछ ना लगे. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I'll start with the things you need. You need the matka, the chalni and thali. And apart from that, you need all the decorative items you can find in the market easily, or even use any old things that are lying around your house, and the crepe paper, and most important, the Fevibond. Now start with sticking the red crepe paper on your thali with the help of the Fevibond. I use Fevibond because it is more stable. The best part about DIYing or crafting is that there is no set rule about how to do a certain thing. You can use your own creativity and your own ideas and make a simple thing look so attractive and beautiful. Have to worry about spending too much money on buying things from the market that you see in this video that I am using. You can find so many things easily in your house. You will be surprised to know that I used the old laces of my mother's old saris in this video. And even if you have to buy anything, any decorative items, The things I'm using in this video are easily available and very cheap, and you can find them in any local store. So my thali turned out really pretty, and now we move on to the decoration of chalni. So for the chalni, I started by lining it out from inside and outside with the same crepe paper that I used for thali. Also, I forgot to mention that instead of the crepe paper, you can also use some velvet paper if you cannot find the crepe paper. The video says it all what you have to do or what I did in this video for decorating my items. You can take inspiration or use your own creativity. Now starting with the most important decoration, the matka decoration. I started with lining out the matka with the same crepe paper I have been using in this video, but the double of it. You can also choose to color the matka if you don't like the idea of using the crepe paper or you don't want to stick something on it. are easily available in the market, but the joy of DIYing something or decorating something with your own hands just doubles the joys of festive season. And I really love doing this, especially on Diwali and Karwa Chauth. And these 3 items that I decided to make turned out really special and very beautiful, and I can't wait to see my mom using all these in Karwa Chauth. So I hope you liked the video. If you decide to recreate any of these DIYs, don't forget to share a picture with me on my Instagram or Facebook handle. Both are given in the description box below, and you can even see them on screen. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss any of the DIYs I'm going to show in this series. And hit the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video, another DIY. #DIYwali. Keep smiling, stay happy, be positive. Take care guys, bye.